We need very well-rounded leaders in public health. And that requires students to learn broadly, and that's why getting public health background in the liberal arts makes really good sense, so that they become leaders who can work in multiple sectors and collaborate well with people in different disciplines.
I want to be a well-rounded person. I don't want to just be an expert in one field and not know anything about sociology. I want to know about environmental health. I want to be a lifelong learner, and I think having a school like a liberal arts school that encourages that is something I really appreciate.
The public health department does a great job at making sure that you have a very good knowledge of a bunch of different topics. And it's eye-opening in the sense that you're able to see how everything intertwines in the real world and how everything you learn intertwines. For example, my economics minor, I use it all the time when thinking about public health. I don't think I would have gotten as good of a grasp on what public health is if I was so focused into one major.
If you come with multiple interests, we can work with you to marry your interests so that you become the professional you want to be. Students don't know necessarily that they can marry art or marry communication or marry their strong interest in policy with a public health degree and become a public health professional that honors those particular interests.
Willamette, as a liberal arts college, is quite distinctive in that it has a school of management and a school of law and a school of art. Undergraduates within the scope of the public health major can also take courses in administration from the business school and can take courses in health law and public health law as upper class students.
I went to one of the public health advisors and I explained to him that I loved management, I loved like a health field. He was like, have you ever thought about hospital administration? Like you could do an undergraduate public health degree and then do our Business 3-2 program. This way I feel like I'm leaving the school and going into business school with a very good knowledge of a bunch of different sectors. Like I feel very equipped to go into the real world now.